Hey friends, if you wish to make a drop-down list in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, place your cursor where you want the drop-down list, like you want it here. Click on Insert, select Drop-down, select New Drop-down, and then you can start creating a colored list here. Okay, the first one can be red, and it can be, let's say, I'll put my name here. Okay, the second one color can be, let's say, blue, and I can put some other name here. And then the third color can be, let's say, green, and then I will place another name here, and then I'll click on save, and then you can see a drop down list, a color drop down list. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.